Guys, today I'm gonna show you my dad's car. So we don't have pretty much today, and so there's a fridge here. So yo, look! Oh my god, I got fake chewing gum, bro. Double mint and Orbit. Just put it there. And the pedals. This is an automatic car. It only has a brake and an accelerator, and it doesn't have a clutch because it's not manual. And the steering is so nice, bro. Look. And it's a 7-seater car. Look. Here's the back as well. The seats are open. Let me show you. This seat move, okay? It's automatic. Look. It'll move. It's going back. Coming front. Now do put it back. Wait. You hear that noise? It's going back. I can't tell. But you think it's not going back, but it's actually going back. So yeah, this was special in my dad's car. So yeah. So look. No. And this is the best car ever. This is my dream car, actually. Yo, look. There's some medikits. And if you're in an emergency, there's a medkit. So look how much. I can't show you my number plate because copyright. Okay, look. I can see myself in recording. I can see myself in recording. Hello guys. Hello. Yeah. We can close it as well. I think this is going to not close. So yeah. See. And we have a pool, bro. We used it yesterday. And now we did it. So that's it, I think, bro. I can just show you outside. Look. I'm showing you the outside. This is our neighbor. This is our neighbors. And yeah, let's lock the car. Let's go lock the car, bro. Or my dad will beat me up, bro. Okay. My dad will punch me in the face as hard as he can, bro. He's very strict, dad. Okay, let's go, bro. Lock the car. So, bye. Peace.